Around here at Crypto Vault, we treat Dogecoin digital currency with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished on the off chance that a cryptographic money has solid local area support. Brought into the world as a web image, Dogecoin shows how a basic joke might increment in worth and come to a $18 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost expectation. Dogecoin beginning and reason. Dogecoin was planned utilizing the codebase of Litecoin, and its advancement was pointed toward giving an option in contrast to Bitcoin. It ought to have been a more receptive and cordial cryptographic money. Its most particular element, nonetheless, is its mascot. The designers of Dogecoin picked a good times approach towards its turn of events. Dogecoin was somewhat changed when created as a fork of Litecoin. New blocks in the Doge blockchain are made quicker than in Litecoin 1 moment against 2.5 minutes in LTC. Dogecoin's mining trouble is changed each block found and the price is fixed. The most particular change occurred in the brand, and it turned into a main impetus behind its fame. The tomfoolery picture of the crypto helped this image token to certainly stand out in different virtual entertainment. The coin turned renowned even external the local area of blockchain innovation fans. Can't stack gadget good cause and tipping for around 3 years. The image coin was well known, however not effectively exchanged, and there were no fast cost developments by the same token. A few cause programs and a well-disposed Doge people group assisted the coin with getting the trust of the local area. The coin developed its client base with the assistance of the Reddit people group and other social stages. It moved the Dogecoin market cap in rates not even the most bullish experts might have anticipated. Doge cost dropped essentially, and its market cap has likewise left its high point. In any case, it is one of the best 15 coins available, and in general return for money invested is around 11,000%. It is likewise really well-known advanced coin since Elon Musk is empowering clients to get it and send it to the moon. Dogecoin is the 10th buy deals and trade digital currency on. However, in spite of this, clients consistently trade it because of the long presence and advancement of the coin. Dogecoin pattern examination. Dogecoin notoriety was extraordinarily steady throughout the span of the earlier year. You can see on the accompanying chart that the coin even figured out how to get a pursuit term Dogecoin spike in prominence. The coin was extremely fascinating for Google clients with regards to January 2018. Several less critical pinnacles occurred in July and December. Toward the beginning of 2019, the ubiquity was around a similar level as it was in a similar time of 2018, which is a significant achievement with regards to the business emergency happening today. The cost of Dogecoin isn't exceptionally receptive to media consideration. For instance, the report about Airbnb caused a cost ascend against USD by about 3% more than 3 days after the declaration. As per Google patterns, Doge has a serious crowd and is most well known in Venezuela. Like Scramble, Doge ended up being one of the go-to cryptos in nations where the monetary framework is battling. Different nations with a lot of Dogecoin look incorporate Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria. It is a decent sign that the coin is utilized as an option in contrast to the authority government-issued types of money of these nations for financial trade between customary individuals. As of late, Dogecoin's cost increased by 100%. Such a triumph was sitting tight for the coin after the distribution of the viral video on TikTok, where the client of the Wolf of Bitcoin showed his mining ranch. Indeed, there isn't any specialized examination aptitude of Dogecoin digital money. Notwithstanding, here is the total rating for Doge from a few dealers and experts on TradingView. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Dogecoin will be 10 cents. The most extreme level that the Doge cost can reach is 12 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 10 cents. Doge Value Gauge for January 2023. In view of the value changes of Dogecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of 8 cents in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 7 cents and at 8 cents individually. February 2023, Dogecoin Value Conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their figure for the Doge cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 7 cents, while the greatest could reach 8 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around 8 cents. Doge Value Gauge for WALC 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value variances of Dogecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Doge rate they foresee may be around 8 cents in WALC 2023. It can drop to 8 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 9 cents. April 2023, Dogecoin Value Gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the Doge cost will be exchanged at 8 cents overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogecoin worth to 9 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 8 cents in April 2023. Doge Value Gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Dogecoin costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 8 cents. The least and pinnacle Doge rates may be 8 cents and 9 cents. June 2023, Dogecoin Value Gauge. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Doge cost will be around 9 cents. In June 2023, the Dogecoin cost might drop to at least 8 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 9 cents in June 2023. Doge value figure for July 2023. Having dissected Dogecoin costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Doge rate could arrive at a limit of 10 cents in July 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to 9 cents. For July 2023, the anticipated normal of Dogecoin is almost 9 cents. August 2023, Dogecoin value figure. Around mid-2022, the Dogecoin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 9 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the Doge cost could change somewhere in the range of 9 cents and 10 cents. Doge value conjecture for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Dogecoin worth won't dip under at least 9 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is 11 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 9 cents. October 2023, Dogecoin value conjecture. Digital money specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of Doge costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Dogecoin will be around 11 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 9 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 10 cents. Doge value figure for November 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Dogecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of 10 cents in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 10 cents and at 11 cents. Separately, December 2023, Dogecoin value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Doge cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 10 cents, while the most extreme could reach 12 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around 10 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Dogecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Dogecoin will be around 14 cents. The greatest expected Doge cost might be around 18 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 15 cents in 2023. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Dogecoin, in 2024, Doge is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 21 cents and 25 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 21 cents. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? The conjecture for Dogecoin cost is very certain. It is normal that Doge cost could